Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload music to Spotify. Open your Spotify app. When you open the Spotify app, the first thing you see is the home page. Then you need to tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. When you are on this screen, scroll down until you see an option called Local Files. Once you find it, you need to enable this button in here. After you enable it, tap on your library icon in bottom right corner. Now you can see a library named Local Files in here. So tap on it. Here you can see all the local musics on your device. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.